This channel supports Extra Life in its efforts to raise money for the Children's Miracle Network. For more information about how to donate and join in their efforts, go to the link displayed here. Extra Life. Play games, heal kids. What up, everybody? This is your boy Black Magus, and I guess this is going to be the first edition of a new series that I'm doing. Basically, it's a brief series I'm going to do discussing building a PC in a practical way, as I like to say it. I just recently built me a new computer, which didn't cost me that much. It was under $600. I think it's gone up now. Thankfully, I got the deal when it was around $550, so I saved some money. But it's still around $600, so you can build a really good PC for under $800 if you know what you want and you have a little bit of understanding of what you probably can get away with not getting and what you should get, and that's basically what I looked at when but the importance of this video isn't to talk about any other components. If you see the boxes behind me, that's pretty much the bulk of the PC right there, and yeah, it's that damn small, people. When you look at it's funny because when you get the components, you realize that you spend so much money on things that aren't that huge in size, but the weight of it is in what it can do for you. And that's what I want to discuss, is what do you want to do with your computer? That should always be the first thing that you think of before you go into building a computer. What are you building this for? What type of PC do you want? What type of PC suits you? Most people, you don't have to build a PC if all you need is just for work stuff, check email, send assignments to school, get on the internet and surf and interact with your friends. If that's all you really do with your computer, you're fine going out and finding a cheap pre-built consumer brand like Dell, HP, Acer, what have you. That's gonna suit you fine because you're not really doing much with your computer. Now, when we get beyond the casual quote-unquote user, you have to think, am I building this for some type of productivity, such as graphics design, video editing, things like that? Am I just building this to be a gaming PC? All I'm caring about is just playing the latest games at the highest setting, things like that? You have to make sure that you figure out first what it is that you exactly want out of your PC. Like for me, like I said in my video where I showed you guys what was the parts and how it all came together and whatnot, my most important thing was something that would allow me to play games when I want, but not necessarily be focused on games. My main focus was productivity in school, things that will aid me in doing things like these videos, as well as probably down the line as I go through my network administration classes, certain projects that I'll be able to take care of that I won't necessarily have time to spend in a lab to do. I can bring something home and I can knock it out, things like that. So mine was basically a multitasking machine, something that I can get that was affordable, yet that was powerful enough to carry me to where I wanted to go. But more importantly, my whole thing was something that I could upgrade comfortably and not have to replace the whole setup to keep going. And I'll get into that in more detail in probably the next video that I'm gonna do. But that's another thing too. Once you start to shape and form your opinion of why you need to build this computer and what you're building it for, then you'll be able to answer questions like, okay, what can I get that will help me upgrade easily in case I want to do such and such? What can I do that's going to give me the most performance for whatever that task is that I'm looking to do? So, think about it first. Don't just dive head in. Don't just look at components or look at the setup. Don't necessarily start asking opinions of people who may know a little more than you. First, formulate what you want. Once you do that, then you can go about your business. That's I can't stress that enough. Make sure you know what you want. Don't just say, I want to build a computer, and then just go about there, because that's the type of situation that will end up costing you a lot more money that you need, because you don't have an idea what you want. So other people are going to cloud your mind and tell you you need this, you need that, blah 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 blah, without having, you know, any specific knowledge of what it is exactly that you want. So they'll have you out there spending $2,000 building a rig when you probably wouldn't even need to spend half that much for what you want to do. So make sure you figure out what you want. Okay, so as always, you guys hit me up. Let me know what you think, and I'll holler at you later. It's your boy Black Makers, and I'm out. Deuces.